Christmas is coming, and you are probably looking for sous vide cooker gift ideas. Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below, choose your favorite, and start your countdown for Christmas. Number 1, the Anova Precision Cooker makes it easy to achieve professional level cooking results at home. To use, simply attach the cooker to any water-filled pot. Put your food in a sealable bag, and set the time and temperature by Anova Culinary. Number 2, the Anova Precision Cooker Nano makes it easy to achieve professional level cooking results at home. The Anova Precision Cooker Nano heats and circulates the water to a precise temperature, cooking food to an exact temperature which creates maximum tenderness and moisture retention without worry of overcooking. Another great product by Anova Culinary. Number 3, our Aobosi Sous Vide Cooker utilizes advanced thermal immersion water circulation technology. Allows you to enjoy an easy technique that cook your ingredient in a convenient and healthy way, by our Aobosi. Christmas countdown sale is now online. Click this link below for real-time prices and offers. Get yours now.